Hello, and welcome to How to Create an Online Course, the official Udemy course. We're thrilled that you're interested in teaching with us. We believe in creating new opportunities for everyone by opening up knowledge, and that's where you come in. Millions of people learn with Udemy at home, at work, and when they're on the go to develop new skills, upskill in their careers, and explore their passions. By teaching with us, you'll have the opportunity to share your knowledge and expertise to reach learners all over the globe. My name is Audrey Espy. In my work as a learning designer at Udemy, I've partnered with hundreds of instructors to help them create well-designed, high-quality courses. In this course, I will share best practices in teaching and instructional design, as well as resources you can use to help you plan, produce, and publish your course. Whether it's your first time making a Udemy course or you've done this before, I'll share guidance to help you deliver an impactful online learning experience. Along the way, you'll also get to hear from some experienced Udemy instructors who will share some of their tips for building an engaging Udemy course. Let's meet them now.
Hello, my name is Federico Garay and I teach on Udemy because I am a strong believer that education changes lives for real.
Hi, I'm Deborah Grayson Regal. I teach on Udemy because it's a special opportunity for me to share my knowledge and experience about management, communication, leadership, and coaching with lifelong learners around the world.
Hi, I'm Jason Dion, and I teach CompTIA certification courses on Udemy because it allows me to help students grow in their cybersecurity careers from an entry-level IT technician to a cybersecurity analyst or a penetration tester.
Hi, I'm Ceci Mancilla, and I teach in Udemy because of course, I love online learning and I love online teaching. And thanks to Udemy, this is not just a hobby or a passion for me. Now it is an online business.
Hi, I'm Timothy Meixner, and I teach on Udemy because I enjoy helping people.
Hi, I'm Johannes Ruf, and I teach on Udemy because I enjoy sharing my knowledge with other people.
Creating a course is a journey. As with any journey, it's good to know where you're going, how you're going to get there, and what tools you need along the way before you start out. This course will guide you through it all. Let's get started.